Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make the modern birdhouse for the modern bird. Have a look at it, guys. Got a chimney, got architecture windows, designer roof. It's just it and a bit, guys. The modern birdhouse for the modern bird. Alright guys, let's get into it. The modern slanted roof birdhouse. What else could a bird want? It's got a chimney to keep them warm in the winter. It's got a roof over the head, got some windows and some doors. They're going to live like kings, better than a lot of people. Okay, just cutting down the 15mm BC ply now. I've got a half sheet there. And cutting the angle on it, the angled roof. You now have to put the two pieces together. Yeah, all good then. Watch yourself, you idiot. And just cutting them to length now. B to B. B side to B side. And just drilling for the round architraves around the window. The three of them drilled out and cutting the holes now. You've got a doorway marked out, a couple of windows, and cutting them out with a jigsaw. I've got all the doors and windows cut out. I've got a door here and a couple of windows there, and on the back I've got two long skiddy modern windows with one round window. The round windows are going to have the surrounds around them, as is the doorway. But the back one, they're just going to be routed out. I'm just going to round over the inside and outside of all the doors and windows just to relieve all the sharp edges. Okay, we're getting there now, which is good. All right, the next step is to glue up the chimney. So I'll get some timber now and we'll make a good pattern and we'll glue up a chimney. Yeah, that timber is called senna. The big box store had it for a while. Very figured. Have a look at that. I think it comes from Asia somewhere. And I'm going to highlight it with a couple of bits of pine each side. Just cutting a long length now and I'll cut it in half. And gluing it up now, and I've got a couple of bits of jarrah to go on the outside. So I've got three different timbers there. The jarrah, the pine and the senna. I'm using my old sash cramps. I like them a lot better than the new ones. Cleaning the glue at the bottom. And now planing the roof to an angle of 22.5 degrees. I could have cut it on the saw, but it's just as easy to router to buzz it out. And softening all the edges now with the half round cutter. And gluing and pinning on the round architraves. Got a 23 gauge pin gun there, works really good. Oh, here we go. I wish I could work that quick in real life. Just a bit of glue and nail it together with my nail gun. Using about 40mm nails, I think I use. Starting to take shape now, isn't it? Got the doorway done, two windows, window on the side, the back square windows, another window with a perch. Look at that. Okay, I took the chimney out of the cramps, and now I've got to dress it up for the planer, and then cut it to the side. And that's going to go on the front like that somehow. And then the roof's going to cover it all again. The next trick is to plane this up, plane this down, then cut it to size. Okay, just through the planer it goes. Come up really well. Now positioning in it, I've glued it up now. And I put a couple of clamps on it, just to clamp it on there. To the glue dryers. I use type 1-3 glue on most of my projects. So it sticks really well. I'll hang it up then. Now the glorious day in the car, as I say. Let's get in, guys. Now the glorious day in Melbourne, and it's time to take the box out of the clamps. Oh, bang. I've got the chimney on now. Oh, great, didn't it? Look at that. Okay, the next trick is to, the modern house is looking well, isn't it? Looking good. The next trick is to put a roof on, a slanting roof. What do I think? I think I'm going to make the roof just out of the BC ply again, but with grooves in it to look like there's sheets. So I'll put 1/4" grooves in it on the outer, and then I can put it on and then cut it around the chimney, and then I'll have a border going all the way around it again. So that will look like an overhanging roof. I think that'll look good. Let's do that. Using my router there, the 1/4" spiral cutter on there, and my saw fence as a guide. Easy as, guys, easy as. Just adjust it. Take it easy, and it cuts really well. And just cutting the angle of the chimney now. I marked that out, I'm going to cut it with a handsaw. I've routed the roof. That goes great, didn't it? And I've done the checkout for the chimney, the angle checkout. And then it just slides in there like that. Okay. Now we've got to fix the roof on before we do the edging. But the front edging has to go over the chimney, like so. So it looks part of the house now. So we'll fix the roof on, and then we'll do the edging all the way around. I'm going to fix the roof on there with my nail gun. Just eyeing it up, but be careful. Bit of glue and some nails will do fine. And pinning on the fascia all the way around there. I just butt jointed it. Pinning on the base. Pinning on the surround of the base. Spraying it up now. Look at that, coming out great, isn't it? The contrasting timbers really do help, don't they? They make it pop, as I say. Look, we're all finished. A modern birdhouse for the modern bird. Come out great, didn't it? Look at that. It's got architectural windows in it. It's got a chimney. What a great looking birdhouse, guys. Thanks for being with me today. Please subscribe and join me again where I will be making possibly another birdhouse or a box or something else, but it'll be fairly small. But otherwise, I got no room for it. Alright guys, thank you.